Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can finish the Dead Skeleton quest in Vitiate Roblox. So the Dead Skeleton NPC is hidden deep within the Buried Cove underwater maze. So if you already found the NPC, you can start the quest. So for the quest, you need to find 4 letters hidden in the Pirate Cove chest. And in here, I'm going to show you some of the locations of the treasure chest, the pirate chest in here inside the Pirate Cove. So you need to really navigate or explore the island to be able to find the chest. So as for me, the first one you can found it here on the hill in the Pirate Cove. You can just climb it and you'll find the chest hidden in here. Okay, this is the first one that I found. You can just open it, and if you're lucky you can find the letters, but if you don't find get the letters, you need to search for it again. So just repeat until you got all 4 letters. And for the second chest, I found it here. I don't know if this one is included, but this behind the carpenter you'll always found this pirate chest. Okay, now I got luck potions, so I still not got the letter. Let's see if you can found it in here. You can also go to the back of the island. Okay, I see the another chest in here. Let's open it. Okay, I don't get letters yet, so you can just do the exact same steps and explore the island, the Pirate Cove, until you got all the chests. As you guys can see, it's still not progressing because I didn't found the letters yet, but I've only found the chest with other rewards. So just explore the Pirate Cove until you got the all 4 letters and you'll finish this Dead Skeleton quest. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you in the next tutorial.